So, hi, I'm still trying to do small jigsaws, simple ones, easier ones. So, I've got a lot of jigsaws around me. I don't know why, I just gathered them and now they are here everywhere. And one of those, which are under my table, is this Trefl with Winnie Pooh. So, I think it is called Winnie the Pooh collection. So yeah, the Winnie Pooh collection. So those are stamps and all this, and it looks like fun. So I will do this now, and I will show you all the details as soon as I'm done. So let's start the jigsaw. Pooh Bear! So here it is. So that one was fun. It was very colorful, and as always, Trefl has got a good Try it again too. So Trefl has got a good variety of piece shapes. So yeah. I had a very rough week and I'm so tired, and I finished this one a few days ago, but I just couldn't. When did I finish it? Let me have a look. On the 3rd of, well, a week ago. Yeah, it was a rough and busy week. Okay, so we've got Eeyore here. He's so cute. So you've got all the different art styles. And the stamps here, and and here we've got the whole gang. And I don't know why, but we have got 4 Piglets and 2 Tiggers, but just 1 and 2 Poohs. Okay. So, it is very cute, it is very colorful, it was a lot of fun, the quality is very good, and yeah. You will find all the details in the description below. And if you like Winnie Pooh, or if you like anything in this world, just hit the like button. And I know you are a liker. Sorry, I'm tired. Thank you very much for watching. We will see us next time. Bye bye.